The Pax Silica Declaration marks the end of geopolitical innocence. At the India AI Impact Summit 2026 in New Delhi, the world witnessed the dismantle of a silicon curtain. For decades, global stability was shaped by Pax Americana, but today, intelligence is the primary commodity. The semiconductors are the new oil. The Pax Silica Declaration signals a shift towards silicon peace, where stability depends on compute power, resilient supply chain, and shared AI governance. The idea of silicon peace reflects a move from competition to cooperation. No nation can achieve total AI self-sufficiency. Creation of 2-nanometer chip depends on software from United States, optics from Netherlands, chemicals from Japan, and assembling in India. This is what declaration called resilient interdependence. When nations are deeply integrated, the cost of conflict becomes too high. The declaration stands on 4 pillars. The first pillar, the Trusted Foundry Network. In a crisis, nations must provide a priority access to their semiconductor capacity. Global hardware security standards ensures chips are free from backdoors. This creates a true circle of trust. The second pillar, sovereign compute reserve. Like strategic petroleum reserves, nations now maintain compute reserves. India committed 50,000 GPUs dedicated to public healthcare, disaster management, and linguistic preservation. This prevents algorithmic colonization. The third pillar, the Global AI Research Fellowship and Talent Corridor. The Silicon Visa fast-track engineers and researchers. Knowledge must flow, not just hardware. The Global South must become a center of deep tech design, not merely assembly line. The fourth pillar, the ethical compute mandate. High-performance clusters must disclose energy source. They must mitigate biases. They must prioritize Gen AI. Yet, here lies the energy paradox. Even with the green mandates, the massive expansion of fabs, data centers poses a serious challenge to our global carbon neutrality goals. Can we scale intelligence without scaling emission? That question remains unresolved. India's role is pivotal. By hosting the summit, New Delhi positioned itself as the bridge between Silicon Valley and Global South. Through the India-US Semiconductor Roadmap, 3 mega fabs will rise in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. These are not factories alone, they are strategic assets. The global economy will feel the shift. The winner-takes-all model weakened. The shared compute empowers startups in Nairobi, researchers in Pune. Frugal AI becomes a necessity. Efficient chips, lower energy, wider access. Supply chain volatility may finally stabilize, but challenges remain. Now, non-members be pushed into a digital dark age. Can trust endure in moments of crisis? The silicon peace depends on restraint, transparency, and mutual accountability. In the end, the Pax Silica Declaration recognizes a simple truth. The technology is the new diplomacy. The global stability now depends on not only on borders and treaties, but on electrons flow through a silicon. New Delhi 2026 may be remembered as the moment humanity chose to treat AI not as a weapon of dominance, but as a utility for progress. As the declaration states, silicon must serve the soil and the code must serve the citizen. Pax Silica has begun.